Hi guys! Come and join us again to wander around another well-known night market here in Taiwan. The Shilin Night Market. It is located at Shilin District, Taipei, Taiwan. Panoorin muna natin to saglit, guys. So, let's go! This night market, often considered to be the largest night market and also known one of most famous night market in Taiwan. And it is a Taiwanese cultural tradition. Lumalakas yung ulan, guys, parang hindi namin malilibot ng buo tonight. Ang cute ng pusa, guys. Nakadalawang balik ako dito para panoorin to. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano nila sa corner ng 3D video display nila. Hindi gaanong nakalibot, guys, kasi ang lakas ng ulan, ayaw tumigil. Baka next time na lang ulit. So yan, late na rin kasi, guys, past 9 na, 9 PM. And then yan, nagutom na kami kakaikot. So, bumili muna kami ng aming pagkain. Itong chicken na to, pinipilahan siya, kaya kailangan try namin yung chicken barbecue nila dito sa Shilin Night Market. At syempre, may pa-milk tea, silaw pan. Then, naghanap na lang kami ng uupuan sa gilid-gilid para makakain, guys. So, let's eat! Masarap yung chicken barbecue nila, guys. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video gala. Bye!